Good morning, Zimbabwe. Namasolamso Mnangagwa has failed the nation. Full stop. His incompetent and unaccountable leadership, yes, dragged Zimbabwe into a shadow of decay, surrounded by individuals whose influence has brought nothing but suffering, greed, and national humiliation. The toxic alliance between Mnangagwa and Tagure has become a symbol of state capture, corruption, and reckless disregard for the well-being of our ordinary citizens. Salamina mashukubura nyogwana kerina mjati aiwa ari director kananga kuna wakomana vanolebhurwa kunzi zvigananda vakaita sana Chivhayo nana Tagure vachiruka kunzi panguva inoi they are causing a decline panguva inoi but the rule yamutungamiri wenyika anobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda anoendera anyora achiti while Zimbabwe struggle daily, roads collapsing, hospitals empty, schools deteriorated infrastructure, these men spread wealth and power and the theatrics as if the nation itself is their private playground. Every highway is a graveyard, every journey is a gamble with death. Infrastructure is collapsed to the point where traveling within your own country feels like a battlefield. Now, the so-called donations creeping into schools, raising serious concerns. As a parent whose own daughter once boarded a deadly war until June 2009, I say this boldly: parents must scrutinize these moves and defend their children. If a school chooses political patronage over child welfare, parents must be courageous enough to move the children elsewhere. Our children's safety must never be the bargaining chip in someone's PR stand. Tuliwo and all those Rhodesian airmen never hid this version of the school to be captured by Zvigananda. Let Mnangagwa plaster his name on the schools he is building in Zambia if that is where his heart is. Zimbabweans are tired of being treated as expendable. We are tired of an ED who sees citizens as pawns, not people. Zimbabwe is suffocating under a mafia of ritualized that thrives in darkness and obscures accountability. It is time to expose the road, confront the failures, and stand firm as citizens demanding dignity, safety, and a future free from manipulation. Do mashkwambira inogwa panguva ino awanakirira mjati pinda comment section medu za fundo enyu mutukulipa msoro the matter in this I can subscribe or like check on the bell icon.